Hi, my loves. I'm Geraldine of Diva Decorating. Welcome. Today I'll be doing a DIY showing you how I created these quick and easy and beautiful Valentine's Day faux glittered candles because Valentine's is just around the corner. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So first thing is to grab 3 of your favorite Pringles cans, and we're going to make an 8, a 6, and 4-inch candles. And you're going to make sure that you clean out the inside real good and dry it out. So I'll be making the 4-inch can for you today. And I'm just going to take a knife and I'm going to cut right through the can. It's pretty easy to cut because it's mostly cardboard. So now I'm going to take these wire cutters and I'm just going to kind of make a scallop edge all the way around my can, just in different sizes. It doesn't matter what size you make it, just like it would be on a real candle. Loves, I would like to invite you today, if you haven't already, to subscribe, like, share, and comment at the end of the video. It really helps out the channel. And I appreciate all my Diva family. So thank you all for all of your support. So I'll be cleaning up my edges with some scissors. But now I'm going to take my top here and I'm going to poke a hole right in the center with my knife. So this is how it looks. It doesn't have to be a big hole, just a little small hole. And now I will go around the edge and cut out around the rim of the top. And I'll just first poke a hole in it to get it started. Now I'll just go in with my scissors and just cut right around the rim. So this is how it should look when you're finished cutting it. And we're going to use this to make a holder for our top of our candle. So I'm going to bring it down maybe about a ½ inch or so. It depends on how far you want your candle to sit down, your top. And then I'm just going to take some hot glue and just go around and glue that in real good. Now you also can cut a little end off of it so the ends will meet up together if you would like, or you can just glue it on top of it. Either way it would work. I just chose to glue it on top of the other end of the rim. So now I'll just make sure that my candle fits inside my little hole that I made earlier, and it's a perfect fit just like that. And here guys, you don't see me actually gluing and glittering the can. I lost that footage, I'm so sorry, but all you're going to do is just put your Mod Podge on and your glitter like I'm doing here. And then we're going to do the top the same way. We only need to do one side of the top. And we're going to let that dry. And when that dries for maybe about a good hour and a half, I will go back over it again. And this is how it looks after the second coat has dried. And here's the top. So let's put our candle back in now. And then all we have to do is just push it down a little bit on that rim that we made inside, and it'll hold up perfectly. We can change out the candles. And this is how all three of them looks together. It's a 3 set. And I think they're absolutely lovely. It can also double as storage or a little hideaway for jewelry, money, candy, any small items that you don't want seen, which I think is a great little added feature. Now you can place these on your coffee table, your entryway table, fireplace, your bedroom, or use as a beautiful centerpiece on a tablescape. You can always use them anytime, anywhere that you would like. I think they absolutely came out beautiful. I love these. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. Is this something that you would make? I hope you enjoyed today's DIY, and I hope that it inspired you to create these quick, easy, and beautiful Valentine faux glittered candles. Bye bye, my loves. I will see you in the next one.